Hi everyone, I want to share a simple yet effective recipe that can help alleviate migraines and other headaches. This recipe involves using the natural ingredients, lavender oil and coconut oil. In a small bowl, add a teaspoon of lavender oil and a teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix the two well, then take a small piece of cotton and soak it in the mixed oil. Once completely soaked, place the cotton on the area of your head where you feel the migraine coming on. Massage the cotton gently in circular motions and feel free to get creative with your movements. This oil can help soothe the headache and relax your body. You can repeat this process several times throughout the day if needed. It might take a few days for you to start feeling the benefits, but I promise once you try it, you'll never want to go back to your old headache relieving methods. Have a great day.